Did you know? The planet is losing 10 million hectares of forests every year. That's an area larger than Iceland. A healthy ecosystem helps to protect us from diseases. Biological diversity makes it difficult for pathogens to spread rapidly. It is estimated that around 1 million animal and plant species are now threatened with extinction. By the year 2050, there could be more plastic than fish in our oceans if we do not change our current trajectory today. These facts are not just statistics. They are warnings. Warnings that our home, our only home, is under threat. We are no longer talking about a distant future. We are talking about the air we breathe and the ground we stand on today. We are the first generation to feel the impact of climate change and the last generation that can do something about it. Mother Earth is clearly urging a call to action as nature is suffering. Our oceans are filling with plastic and becoming more acidic, destroying the coral reefs that sustain marine life. These reefs are not just beautiful, they are the nurseries of the sea. Extreme heat, wildfires and floods have already affected millions of people across the globe, turning once fertile lands into dust and forcing families to leave their ancestral homes. Climate change, along with man-made destruction of nature, is accelerating this crisis. Deforestation, land use change, intensified agriculture, livestock production, and the growing illegal wildlife trade are pushing our planet closer to irreversible damage. We are tearing the very fabric that keeps us alive, the intricate web of life where every bee, every leaf, and every drop of water plays a vital role. But this is not just about nature. This is about us. Because ecosystems support all life on Earth. From the food on our plates to the water in our taps, we are connected to the wild. When we destroy a forest, we destroy a water filtration system. When we lose a pollinator, we lose our food security. The healthier our ecosystems are, the healthier our planet and its people. Restoring damaged ecosystems can 1. Help end poverty by creating sustainable livelihoods and green jobs. 2. Combat climate change by capturing vast amounts of carbon through natural sinks. 3. Prevent mass extinction by giving wildlife a place to thrive and adapt. 4. Ensure health security by providing the medicinal resources and clean air we require. But we will only succeed if everyone plays a part. On this International Mother Earth Day, let us remind ourselves that we urgently need a shift to a more sustainable economy, one that works for both people and the planet. We must stop valuing short-term profit over long-term survival. True wealth is not found in what we take from the earth, but in what we leave behind for those who follow. Let us promote harmony with nature. Let us join the global movement to restore our world. Get involved. Invest in a better future. Protecting the planet is not someone else's responsibility. It is everyone's responsibility. It belongs to the student in this room, the worker in the factory, and the leader in the office. It is a shared debt we owe to the past, and a gift we owe to the future. Act now. Be part of Lorkag Generation Restoration. We are now halfway through the UN decade on ecosystem restoration. We have less than 5 years left in this critical window to heal our planet before the damage becomes permanent. The clock is ticking, but the pendulum is in our hands. And remember, every action counts. Progress does not happen in silence. It happens when people show up. Environmental progress is built through everyday actions, from communities protecting local wetlands to innovators creating carbon-neutral solutions. Clean air, safe water, and climate resilience are not luxuries for the few. They are essential for survival. For Earth Day 2026, we are mobilizing at a global scale because every voice matters, every action matters. Your presence here today is the first step toward a global roar for change. Earth Day 2026. Events and actions. There are countless ways to make a difference, and none are too small to matter. 1. Community cleanups to reclaim our shared spaces and protect local wildlife. 2. Tree planting drives to bring back our lost canopy and cool our cities. 3. Awareness campaigns and teach-ins to spread the truth and fight indifference. 4. Peaceful demonstrations to demand better policies and corporate accountability. 5. Community organizing to build local resilience against extreme weather. 6. Green innovation by supporting technology that works with nature, not against it. Every effort strengthens the movement, because for us, every day is Earth Day, and small actions, when done consistently, create real change. We can: 1. Share climate facts to fight misinformation and apathy. 2. Support renewable energy transitions in your own home and city. 3. Volunteer in your local community to restore parks and rivers. 4. Reduce plastic use and embrace circularity. Reuse, repair, and recycle. 5. Plant trees and nurture them to maturity. Don't just plant. Ensure they grow. 6. Choose sustainable products over disposable ones to reduce your footprint. 7. Educate others. Be the spark that lights the fire of change in your circle. Even the smallest step, like carrying a reusable bag or picking up litter on your way home, can make a difference when multiplied by billions. It is the power of the many that changes the world. The first Earth Day, held on April 22, 1970, sparked a global movement. Today, over 1 billion people participate every year. It is the largest secular civic event in the world, proving that when humanity has a common goal, we are unstoppable. And now, Earth Day 2026 calls upon us with a powerful message: our power, our planet. This theme reminds us that the power to change the world lies in our hands, our choices, and our unity. People of all ages, all backgrounds, and all nations must stand together to protect the only home we share. We are not divided by borders when it comes to the air we breathe, because when we stand together, our planet has a future. Education plays a crucial role in shaping a sustainable future. It is not enough to know the planet is changing. We must understand why and how to fix it. Around the world, efforts are being made to integrate climate education into school systems, preparing future generations to tackle environmental challenges with logic, empathy, and scientific precision. Because awareness leads to action, and action leads to change, and change leads to hope. Remember, the Earth does not need us. We need the Earth. The question is not whether the planet will survive. It has survived for billions of years through ice ages and heat waves. The question is, will we? Will we be the generation that stood by, or the generation that stood up? So let us not wait for tomorrow. Let us act today. Let us raise our voices until they cannot be ignored. Let us change our habits until they become our second nature. Let us protect our planet as if our lives depend on it. Because they do. The future is not something we inherit. It is something we create. Thank you.